How to create Google Sheets and share. So in this video, I'll show you how to share the link with other people and also allow them to edit the Google Sheet as well as comment on it. And also you can restrict access if you want to, depending on what settings you want. But the first step is to go to docs.google.com/spreadsheets or just type in Google Sheets. Come here, then click on blank. Go ahead and input the data you want and also make sure you name the Google spreadsheet. And once you've done that, you want to click the top right hand corner where it says share. Once you've clicked the share button, you will see a part where it says there's something about access, so it should be general access. It will be restricted now, but once you click the drop down, you want to click on anyone with the link. Then also on the drop down here, depending on what you want, it could be commenter or editor. And then you can also just be viewer as well if you want, but copy the link after you put the settings you want. Then all you need to do is paste it in an email or whatever messaging system you're using for the person who wants to view or edit the Google Sheet. Send it to them, then once they click on that link, they'll be able to view or edit depending. So leave a like on the video if that helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.